Bromo-iodomethane. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 multiplied by 2. Iron has 7 valence electron and bromine has 7. So basically we have 4 plus 1 times 2, 2. 7 plus 7, 14. 4, 6. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 14. 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together. The second task is to satisfy octet and duet of the atoms. Let me connect. For connecting, just place 2 dots for every pair of atom. Now satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Then here 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have used all the valence electron. Now count for octet of outer atom first. Octet, octet. Now count for duet, duet. Now count for octet of the central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus carbon is least electronegative than halogen, and hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So carbon is the central atom. This is the Lewis structure of bromo-iodomethane. You can replace this bond pair by line. So this is the structural formula or another way of writing Lewis structure.